Hi guys, I'm Leah and welcome to today's customized close-up. I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this winter's select customize options. Select members will get to choose their favorite or favorites to add to their winter box. Remember, it opens November 2nd and closes November 5th. Time is of the essence. All access opens November 15th through the 18th. If you want to choose from these options, make sure you upgrade. It's worth it. Now, before I get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's channel so that you never miss any of our spoilers or exclusive reveals, or any content with me. First up, let's talk about this adorable Vooray Sidekick crossbody bag. It has a neoprene exterior, which makes this super weather resistant, and I'm gonna show you just how much can fit in this little but fierce bag. A puppy, just kidding, not a puppy, not even a chihuahua would fit. You can wear it as a crossbody, shoulder bag, fanny pack, which is my personal favorite. You know what? Fanny packs are back in. I don't care what people say. It's like a slate gray with a tint of blue. It's really, really pretty, super durable, cute. On to option 2. Here we have the Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner. You have your personal information, notes, which you need, write down positive affirmations and get your 2020 off to a good start, even though it's still only 2019. Don't remind me. You have weekly and monthly pages in here, so just about everything you need, and the actual calendar month here so that you can jot down, soccer practice, book club, the start of your diet for 2020, or, lack of. The layout is also vertical, so plenty and ample room for writing down to-do lists, tasks, and just jot down whatever you need for your week. Okay, so let's jump into option number 3, our LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. If you suffer from dry skin in the winter, this is your savior. This is a single ingredient skin savior made with 100% organic pure Nilotica. This is a luxurious balm to oil that deeply nourishes the skin and smooths visible imperfections. When you put it on your skin, the microcrystals actually dissolve into the really creamy texture that you get with the oil. Even cooler than the texture is that Nilotica is a skin superfood, and it can only be harvested from 20-year-old trees at the Nile River. This company actually gives work to low-income women, and it encourages wilderness conservation. This is also paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free.
This has been upside down.
I don't think it was upside down in the beginning, but I think when I put it back, it went upside down. So then I'm gonna be like, well, mistakes and accidents are opportunities for growth. So happy end of 2019, and I'm, making positive changes. There we go. And last, but certainly not least, we have our 4th and final select customization option. And girl or boy, am I excited to be showing you this. The proof is in the Puddin Beauty Bakerie eyeshadow palette. Ta-da! We've got 4 shimmers and 5 matte colors here. They're really cute names for the colors. We've got butterscotched, Nana's Puddin, warm cocoa. I'm ready for the holidays, are you? They take you from maybe a day look and something a little lighter for the office, and then if you want to get a little more sultry when you go to the holiday party, and the pigmentation, man. I think I just put my pinky in it. Of course I did. Gold. Look at that. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. The founder of Beauty Bakerie, Kashmir Nicole, is really an inspiration as well. She fought and overcame breast cancer, and her mission became to really research the ingredients that women are putting in and on their bodies. So as they say, let's be sweet and sweeten the lives of others. Oh no, I know this is gonna fall. Cue Sarah McLachlan puppy song. Those are all of your products in this select customization category. Please comment below, let me know what you're choosing. I'm actually really interested because I love them all. If I had to choose, I think that I'm going to be choosing the palette because I love makeup and I love a good mission statement. Remember the dates for select and all access right up here. Don't forget them. Race to FabFitFun.com/upgrade if you haven't already, and have a great winter season. I'll see you next time. Good? Killed it.